So we're back. I want to use some techniques so we can create a few beaches around this terrain. So let's do that. Let's start by creating a mask based on the direction, so we don't have beaches all over. We can just have them more or less facing one of the directions. And I want to do this. I don't want a paint mask. I want to do it procedurally, so we have beaches in different islands all at the same time. So let's do this. HF mask feature. And let's, instead of using slope, let's do a direction. And let's change this to something. Yeah, I think we can have beaches around this area. Let me ghost the ocean so you see. Yeah, I like this one. Maybe even further. This, yeah, and maybe spread a bit. And then we combine this with another one, HF mask feature. Okay, let's select this one. This one we do by slope and height. So let's do the height first. And we don't need to compute the range because we want this to be -1, so 1 meter below the surface of the water, and 7 meters high. So we have all this. And instead of replacing, we are going to multiply. So we have like the combination of the one that was previously set, the direction, and this one. So now we have this. So we have a few areas where we have the beach, but we don't want it to be in the areas that are too steep. So let's combine this with the slope. I want it to be from totally flat to some angle, but not a lot, you know, like maybe this one. Yeah, I think it's good. Yes. Now let's play a bit with the mask itself. I want to first maybe do some HF mask expand, and let's select this and let's expand the mask a bit. I think we shouldn't do this. Yeah, we don't need, because it's already expanding the mask itself. So yeah, this one I think it's good. And now we can do some HF mask blur. Now we can just set this and blur the radius a bit. Let me see if we, yeah, this is also we don't need when you do the mask blur. We have now a smooth transition. So now we can do a HF remap. And let's plug the mask. So we want to replace the mask. And now let's compute the range. And we're going to play with the middle part here, like something like that. And let's play with these values in here. So we want something to be like that. Yeah, so now we have this transition as a beach in some areas, and if you go to other areas of the map, we're going to see it kind of having these small areas that we're going to tint and to have like a different material there, and it's going to give a nice look in general. So for now we're okay, because this is the background and we don't want to lose a lot of time, because it's not going to be that visible, and we're going to explore this exercise more in the foreground. So now we can do a HF blur. Now we're not blurring the mask but the terrain itself, but masking it, so we blur just that part. So if you see this, we are blurring the terrain, yeah, just this part. So that's awesome. And next part, we're just going to extract this mask. Now we're going to, yeah, we can extract this and put an HF output here. So we extract this mask as for the material. So we're going to select this, and the way we're going to do, we're going to do in the heap, we're going to select it in the maps folder, accept. Okay, so we need to, I just want to copy this, accept. Okay, so we're going to do in the maps, and I'm going to call this bg send.exr. For this one, we don't need a lot of resolution. We can just put like can be even 1K map. It's totally fine for the background. And we're going to store this in the alpha channel. Let's call this mask. Let's remap it to 0 to 1, and let's save to disk. Okay, in the next lesson we keep moving from there. We're going to roll this terrain and finish the background terrain, and then we move to the foreground where we can put a lot of attention, and we're going to do some better exercise to create a better more believable beach. But our progress is going well, so see you in the next one.